What's up? It's Friday, and Friday afternoon. I'm just feeling a little feisty, a little cheeky, and I want to I don't know. I want to talk to you about 9 reasons why you should never buy another marketing or copywriting course again. 9 reasons why you should never buy another marketing or copywriting course again. Coming from someone who has created about 200 hours worth of marketing and copywriting training. So let's see here. I decided to keep these secret, so you'll have to stick with till the end so you can see reason number 9 is a doozy. Reason number 1, you're already perfect. You're already awesome. You're already an A-list copywriter. You're already bringing in all the cash in the world, and you have no room for improvement. Not only that, you don't even get any joy out of improvement, because every time you take another course, it's just a reminder of how perfect and brilliant and already complete you already are as a human being and as a marketer. And you never mess up. You never make mistakes. You never find situations where having a better understanding would serve you. And so, you're already perfect. Go ahead and don't buy another copywriting training again. All right, reason number 2, you can learn on the job. Yeah, for sure. You can, one of the best lessons, one of the best teachers is failure. And so you can fail a whole lot on the job, and you can learn to be a better copywriter, better marketer. Don't learn from other people's failures. Don't learn from systems that other people have developed through years, decades of experience. You just start from day one, and you learn on the job, and you'll muddle through. You'll figure it out. You'll be good. Don't worry about it, right? Reason number 3, the internet knows everything. You can pop open the internet. You can pop open the Google. You can search it up. Whatever copywriting you want to figure out, you can, you'll figure it out, because you can just search for whatever you want to know when you want to know it. Therefore, no skills development is required. No training is required. No deeper insights and perspectives are required. You just are able to Google anything whenever you need it. Yeah, sure. Okay, cool. Reason number 4, why you should never buy another copywriting or marketing course again is, if you thought I missed ChatGPT and AI last time, well, now you know. ChatGPT and other AI tools will soon do all the work. All you're going to have to do is type in, write me a sales letter, and it's going to write the most brilliant sales letter ever, tomorrow, someday, or the day after, or the next year, or something. Never mind the fact that you might want to actually be able to judge whether or not something is good sales copy. That doesn't matter. Let's just go ahead and hope that whatever it cranks out, without fact checking or thinking about it or having that kind of discretion that it seems like currently only human beings have. Let's just trust it. Let's just trust that. Reason number 5. You got all the time you need to figure it out. It doesn't matter if it takes 10 years to figure out something you could figure out in an hour-long training from somebody who's been there, done that. You can go ahead and figure it out. You can, and you have all the time in the day that you need to figure it out too. You can invest all that time searching, combing the internet for answers. You can invest all the time through trial and error. Yeah, you got all the time you need to go ahead and figure it out, so you don't need to buy another marketing or copywriting course. What were we on? 5? Let's go for number 6. Kind of the other side. You don't have any time for training. You are so busy with so much low value work that you're just running on that hamster wheel just to crank out just enough dollars. And if you take a minute off the hamster wheel, even if it might actually increase your value and your compensation, you can't afford it. You can't afford the time. And so, go ahead. Just don't invest in marketing and copywriting training like it's going to actually make you more efficient and effective at your work and increase your compensation so maybe you can find more free time. Reason number 7, people who make their own courses are just scammers. Well, for sure, there are a ton of scammers out there. There are people who have been there or who have never been there, who've never done that, who just created a course. The worst is like, let me show you how to make money online by showing other people how to make money online, by showing other people how to make money online, by showing other people how to make money online. Yeah, that does feel like a big, I don't know, just inappropriate language here. Yeah, there are plenty of scammers out in the world. So you do have to exercise some discretion. You have to look at the people who are out there and actually doing it, people who are successful at what they teach. And there's much fewer of those than there are people who are successful at what they do, or people who teach but are not successful at it. But finding that sweet spot of somebody who's done it and who's willing to teach about it, there's some people out there who are not scammers, who are worth investing in. What was that? That was number 7. Number 8, school sucked. So why should you learn now? Didn't like school. So why are you going to dedicate yourself to a lifetime of learning? Like that's going to continuously improve your life. Meh. You learned everything you needed in kindergarten and didn't need to do any more after that. You only stuck around as long as they made you. And it's not worth learning now. Okay, cool. Don't buy another marketing or copywriting course. Or how about this one? Reason number 9, it's too expensive. You would rather not have the skill and therefore earn less than invest what is sometimes a significant amount in training, aiming to achieve significant, substantial, positive ROI from that investment, as opposed to just disposing of your income on things like, I don't know, everything from junk food to mindless entertainment to whatever other thing. Warren Buffett actually said that the best thing that you can invest in is yourself and your own skills, your own development, your own knowledge, your own learning. And it's an investment, right? But if all you think about is the amount of money going out and you don't think about the amount of money that could come in, well, a flat screen TV is cheaper than a lot of training out there. But that flat screen TV is just going to have you sitting on the couch for hours and hours and hours per week, versus the training has the potential to make you significantly more money over the lifetime of applying it. So those are the 9 reasons why you should never buy another marketing or copywriting course. Again, I hope you get that that was kind of tongue in cheek. My call to action for you then is, what do you take away from it? How can you use this? How can you use what we've talked about here? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more content on marketing and copywriting. I have just opened up lifetime access to my BTMSinsiders training library. That's a streaming library of copywriting and marketing courses where you pay one low fee, you get instant streaming access to everything. Lifetime access means instead of a monthly membership fee, you actually get unlimited lifetime access for one flat fee. That is only open this month. It's not even open until the end of the month, June 2023. It's very rare that I open up registrations for that, but I'll include a link in the description to notes on lifetime access if you would like to check that out. I'm Roy Furr. This is Breakthrough Marketing Secrets, and I'll catch you again in the next episode. See you soon. Bye. Thank you once again for tuning in to this daily episode of Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. Remember, check out the links with this episode for even more value. Now make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and engage in every way you can to keep this show going and growing and delivering daily value to you. I'll catch you soon for your next big breakthrough.